Sir, so that means in routine practice also we have always to take Ashtanskarit Parad. Or we can
Yeah,
take
that's
Sloth Parad as well, sir.
no, that is my opinion.
Ji.
That is my opinion. At least, maybe that's what I'm going to describe. At least major 5 samskaras we have to do. Svedana, Mardana, Murchana, Utthapadana, Patana. You can avoid Niyamana and Rodhana sometime. But this is essential. This is essential. And sometimes some texts are narrating that the person, the Vaidya who is using the mercury without Gagana Bachana, that person is Chandala. Chandala means, outcast. Which is our position? We are going for Samanya Shuddha. Hingulotha Bharata. Samanya Shuddha means only Mardana we are doing there. Some sort of Morchana it will attain. Means Seshwaram Sama Sudha Rajasa Mardaya Triham. That is the Samanya Shodhana procedure mentioned in the Satarangani, one of the procedure, where what is the procedure, through how much procedures mercury is transforming there, means one is Mardana, of course, Svedana is not there. So what is the property of Svedana mentioned? That we are lacking there. That property we are not gaining. Okay. Second, some sort of Morchana is attaining, some sort, not fully. Nashtapishta Karakatvam ki Morchana. Then when it's coming back, when we are washing with warm water, it is Utthabana. That is there. But Padana is not there. So otherwise you should be knowing some Divya Aushadis by which you can cure mercury very easily. Anandagandha mentioned some pure and some divine herbs by which we can cure mercury. That we cannot say now. So according to me, Hingulotha Parada means it's nothing but one Gandhaka. Gandhaka Jarana procedure is not coming 18 samskaras, under 18 samskaras. After Ashta Samskara, when we are going next to 9th Samskara, that is Gagana Bhakshana, if the mercury is not attained fully Deepana, then we are adopting Gandhaka Jarana. We call it Vasana Mukha Jarana. That is the exact position where Gandhaka Jarana is coming to the procedure. Rest of the things are Morchana only to prepare the drug. Morchana means when a Bandhana procedure is combined with the Morchana, drug is developing. Kajali is Bandhana, Kajali is Morchana. So it is ultimate, the result is a drug. The purification procedure Morchana is there. There is no Bandhana. It is only Morchana, mere Morchana. By Uttavana, we are mercury is retracting back. So there the medicine is not forming. Medicine forms when the Morchana is combined, and the Bandhana is combined with the Morchana. Parpadi means Podabandha. It is Murchita Rasa. Gandhaka Morchana is there. Sagandha Morchana is there. Sa Agni Morchana is there. So it is developing into a drug. So Ashtasamskara Parada is essential. And if you are preparing Rasa Sindhura, Tamakara Dvaja, multiple Balijarana is essential. If you are using Rasa Sindhuram, Triguna Balijarana Rasa Sindhura minimum. You can safely administer it into infants. You can safely give this thing into the pregnant ladies. That is my experience. I'm giving infants even Rasa Sindhura, but it should be Triguna Balijarita. Triguna Balijarita means some people are preparing everything. We are finding shortcuts. There is no shortcut in Rasa Shastra. We should select the long procedures, not the shortcuts. Don't select shortcut. Some people, they are putting 6 times of sulfur at a time into mercury and triturating by preparing kajali and sublimation. and says this is Shadguna Balicharita. No, never. How you are preparing Avarti Kshirabala? 100 times we are preparing the Taila. Dashabhaga Kshirabala we are preparing according to Chakravani Chakradatta. There we are doing 10 times. Same procedure. That's the same way we are, once we are preparing the Sasindura, and after collecting the yield, equal quantity of sulfur is mixing and grinding, titrating, drying, then again the sublimation. 6 times sublimation is necessary. When 3 times sublimations are done, that Rasasindura is perfect. You can use everywhere without any toxic, means in the prescribed dose. So we should play with the safe mode nowadays. Now is democracy. Everybody will challenge you. Everybody will ask question. You have the responsibility to answer the question. So it should be safe. Otherwise, they will neglect our science. So why should we go for such a responsibility? We should play with safe mode. See, the repeated sublimation is a procedure adopting nowadays in nanotechnology to develop, to manufacture nanoparticles of some metals. They are using repeated sublimation. That is the importance of repeated sublimation. So many things what we are finding some shortcuts, and these shortcuts made Rasashastra problem. So these are some philosophies, some philosophies of Rasashastra mentioned in the first chapter and the coming some other chapters, which is very much relevant for a clinician. As a clinician, you should know. If you know this philosophy, from there only you can start to practice Rasashastra. With this, I think I can stop today's class. Otherwise, it will be
So one I would like to explain, because we are talking about Bandhan and
please.
Rasratna Samuchaya says Murchitva Harti Rujam.
Yes.
Bandhanam Anubhuye Muktido Bhavati Amri Karoti Hi Mritaha.
Yes.
Yes. So how do we explain, how do we understand this verse? Because you've already told us, but still a little more light on that, sir.
Yeah, see, here what happened, no? What is we are trying with the Mercury, with all the samskaras? What is our target? Our target is the dosha of Mercury is 2 doshas are the Mercury. Chanchalatvam, one is the most important dosha of the Mercury. Chanchalatvam means asahya agni dosha. Means in lower level of temperature, even it will evaporate. Even 20 degrees centigrade in room temperature, it will evaporate. That is the dosha of Mercury we identified. So how to increase that thermostability of Mercury? That is what we thought. So when we are going for the Ashta Samskara, we are tying the Mercury from the evaporation. We are preparing the Mercury more thermostable. We are offering the Mercury more thermostability. That's we call Bandhana. So after Ashta Samskara, it is Arota Baddha. Mercury is Arota Baddha. Then Murchitva Harati Rujam. Murchita means Harati Rujam means with the Bandhana when Murchana comes. Kajali is Bandhana, Kajali is Murchana. Parpadi is Podabadha, Parpadi is Murchana. Sindura is Jarita Baddha, it is Murchana. Sagandha Murchana, Sagni Murchana. So there we develop the drug. So Murchitva Harati Rujam. Bandhitam Anubhuya Muktito Bhavati. Bandhitva Khecharatvam Yadi. Another version is there. Bandhitva Khecharatvam Yadi. K, what is K? K means the srotas, the body channels. Akasha, K, channels. So after doing this one, The mercurial will pass through the channels with high speed. There is no hurdle in the body. There is no blockage in the body. Even it can pierce through the blood-brain barrier. Even it can go to the womb. Even it can go to the placenta. Even it go to the prostate glands. Even it go to the gangrene part of the body. That is a problem. Suppose you got a diabetic carbuncle or diabetic gangrene. You give Kaishwarya Gugulu, Panchabala, Churna, so many things, but it can't enter into that part. That is the headache. Of course, it's a very good drug. It can heal that wound, but it should reach there. So if you are mixing rasa into the Yasa medicine, mercurial, rasa sandura, or kajali, or parpadi, anything to that one, it can pierce. Khecharatvam. Khecharatvam yati. Another version, what you said, Murchitva, Bandhita Banibhuya Muktito Bhavati, that is coming in another plane. That is not in the Vaidya plane. You are talking about the clinician. So, Kecharatta, this version is very good. Khecharatvam yati. Then Marita. What is the property of Marita? What is the nature of Marita Mercury? Nishkamba Vega Tivra Gnau. It's mentioned. It is Nishkamba even in Tivra Agni. In high temperature, even it won't evaporate. If you can prepare such a mercury, then only you can go for incineration. Otherwise, if you prepare the pellets, that is a chakrika, and made puta, it will evaporate. Even when you are opening the sharaba, nothing will be there. So, Nishkamba Vega Tivragno. How you can make Nishkamba? Only one procedure, Abrasattva. Otherwise, you have another procedures that using so many yandras, different types of yandra, you can tie up mercury and you can subject to heavy heat. That's also, so you can do the Marana procedure of mercury. But that type of basma will be Sajiva Baddha, not Nirjiva Baddha. If you heat it, it will evaporate. It will be in powder form. It will be a basma, type of basma. It will give very good result in the body. But compared to Nirjiva Baddha, this is very minimum effect. Here, our problem is we don't know Abrasattva Jarana process. We don't know ninth samskara. That is the problem. So we are doing some limit. We have so many limitations. This much of we know. But with that, you play with safe. That's my suggestion. So Murchitva Haridujam Banditva Kecharatvam Yadi Amari Karoti Mrtaha. Which Mrta should be Nirbij after Abrasattva Jarana. Then only you will get that much result. Otherwise, you can prepare very good Rasabasma. It will give wonderful result. Even you can cure the diabetic gangrene, such many diseases you can cure. Of course, in the 30th chapter of Rasaratna Samuchaya, it's mentioned different media by which you can give in different conditions the Rasabasma. That's called Rasabasma. Nishkamba Vegati Pragna. And another concept I will say, what is the chemical background of these things? You see the atomic number of mercury is 80 and the gold is 79. So at the purification stage, mercury attained a little bit of thermostability. That means we can heat more mercury. And the Bandhana state, it will attain some more thermostability. Okay. In Mrita state, it will attain some more heavy. You can give more heat to the mercury. That means the energy level of mercury is diminished. You got the sense? That is why we can give more heat to the mercury. We are removing energy from the mercury by these procedures. We are not adding to the energy to the mercury. If you are adding to the mercury more energy, it will speedily evaporate. That's what I'm telling. Pooja, I'm answering for this question now here. See, we are removing the energy from the mercury. So by purification, it will attain little bit thermostability. Bandhana procedure, it will attain more thermostability. In Mrita state, it will attain much more thermostability. That means the energy level of the mercury is coming down stage by stage. If the energy is coming down means in periodic table, the mercury is passing to left side. If it's miss one proton, the atomic number of mercury will come from 80 to 79. That means the mercury will change into gold. Here we are not getting gold, we are getting mercury. But you see, it's never mercury, never gold. It's an amphibian gold. It's an amphibian mercury. Now, suppose you are going for X-ray diffraction study and all these things. With this mercury, I think I'm not proved this one. This is my just concepts for the young generation. You can do all these things in this one. This peak, what we found, will not coincide with the peak of mercury always. They will say there is no mercury in your product. Because the energy level is diminished, it's never gold nor mercury. It's an amphibian metal. So mercury knows what is the properties of gold, that is 79. I mean, chemistry knows what is the properties of gold, is 79. Chemistry knows what is the properties of 80, number 80 mercury. But chemistry don't know what is in between. So what we are, by removing the energy, we are changing mercury into the gold. Gold has so many properties what we narrated. We will get the property of gold, we will get the property of mercury in single component. That is how we are getting so many properties in Shodhana level, Bandhana level, and Amrita level. No, in Kajali, how Kajali is working? Rasarnava says, Yena Yasya yogasya yo yogaha tenaiva sahayojayel Tesendro Rativyadin Narakuncharavajina. What you have to do? You take any yoga which is commonly using for a disease. Suppose for the Vidhridi, if you are using Varunadi Gana Kashaya, add rasa into the Varunadi Kashaya. Yasya yogasya yo yogaha tenaiva sahayojayet. Mix the Rasendra into that. Rasendro harati vyadhin nara kunjara vachina. Is to cure the disease of not only human, but elephant and horse. Okay. So that is the Kajali. Kajali will give, that's just a Yogavahi. So in Potabadha, Parpati Kalpa, Sapota Parpati Kakya, Baladhyakhila Roganut, Druta Kajaliga, Mochapatrake, Chipiti Krata, Sapota, Parpati Kakya, Baladhyakhila Roganut. It is cure most of the diseases. Baladhyakhila Roganut. Then when it's coming to Jarita Baddha, Rasa Sindhura, you go through the narration. What is the properties? And Sabija Baddha, when you are adding preparing Makaradhucha, is Sabija Baddha. What is the properties of Sabija Baddha you go through? You will get more properties. So when I attain Sringala Baddha stage, Rasa Acharya Vagbhada says, I don't know. Even Shankara can explain this one. But fortunately, we don't know how to do all these things. So, friends, my humble request is you should work hard with these 18 procedures. At least we have to find out a way how to do Abrasattva Jarana. Then you will get the real Rasa Shastra. The real Rasa Shastra, by which you can cure even even cancer. I believe in India, some corner, somebody will be sitting there with knowing all these things. They are not coming to the moonlight. You have to find out those people. Otherwise, you have to work hard yourself in your laboratory and find out a way. That's the only way. What is Potalikalpa? Potalikalpa is Dhrutibaddha. See how we are preparing? We are preparing in the Gandhaka Dhruti and we are preparing the Bandha. That is Dhruti Baddha. What is the properties of Dhruti Baddha? You go through, you will find out. Dhruti Baddha. But fortunately, we know only Gandhaka Dhruti. We don't know Abhradruti. So same Potalikalpa, if you are preparing in Abhragadruti, what will be this? No? You think about it? But fortunately, we don't know how to prepare rest of the Dhrutis. Nobody is working. Everybody is working on Hridayarnavarasa, the effect of cardiac effect of Hridayarnavarasa. Or everybody is working in Pradarandagarasa, the effect of in bleeding disorders. That's already proved and it is mentioned in classics and put the name. There is no need of further work. The problem hidden here is our hurdle, main hurdle is we know only 8 samsara. We don't know 9th samskara. Then we can describe all this. Murchitva, Haradirujam, Benditva, Kecharatva Myati, Amari Karoti Mrtaha, Ko Anyak Karunakaraha Sutat. With that, today I'm stopping my lecture. Vayu is the main thing. Vayu is the Bhagavan. Vayu can control only with Mercury. That is why Mercury is so important. Vayu is Shiva in Tantra. Shiva with 5 faces, Vayu with 5 faces. So with Mercury, we can attain the position of Shiva. Anadyandamadhyam param tattvamartham chidagaramekam turiyam tvamevam hari brahma mrigyam para brahma rupam manovagatitam mahashayvamite. Swashaktiyadi shakyam da simhasanastham manohari sarvangaratna vibhusham chedayindu gangasti shashyarka maulim param shaktimitram nama panjavyatram. Namaste.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. We have heard different versions of Rasratna Samuchaya first chapter from 3 different people who are the epitome of Ras Shastra. And we are really blessed, sir. But today I felt as if I can understand the first chapter in its real perspective. The spiritual combined with what it should be, as you said, for the chikitsa purpose. So thank you so much, sir. It was a wonderful, wonderful session. And we would be looking forward to more lectures from you, sir. We are getting a little greedy, but then that greed may lead us somewhere. So that is our purpose. And maybe we are able to understand Ras Shastra better. Thank you so much, sir. Meenakshi, in case you want to add something, you can. And we seriously look forward to more lectures, more interactions with you, sir. It was really, really wonderful. We've been into Ras Shastra for almost now 10 plus 14 years. But the understanding which we had today was different, completely different league. And very, very thank you for all this, sir.
Today's lecture was on a different plane, actually, sir.
Yes,
the plane
yes,
was quite
yes.
different, and we enjoyed it a lot, sir. So much thanks.
We don't feel like moving from our seats right now, but we'll have to.
Actually, sir. And we're looking forward, sir, to have you.
We'll find out some.
Again,
We will
sir.
find out some time. I'll find out some time. I'm a little bit busy nowadays with my works. Even though I will find out, of course, some time for you people. I'm very enjoying for teaching the people, those who are actually interested. Okay.
It will be a pleasure, sir. We'll be excited. Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye.
Thank
Namaste.
you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.